If you are single, you are more than likely contemplating getting married. If not contemplating, there is a good chance that you would like to be married one day. I've got to tell you, my heart goes out to you because as we have done singles, workshops, retreats, and classes around the country, participants have lamented the discouraging situation that you are in today. It seems that many of you are finding it difficult to meet anyone who is marriage material. Are you looking for Mr. or Ms. Right? Why not first make sure that you are Mr. or Ms. Right? Check you out before you check them out. Life Jennings in his song Statistics put it this way. Rule 4, be the person you want to find. Don't be a nickel out here looking for a dime. While out there looking for a spouse, many want the right one, but rather than looking out there, you should first look inside to make sure you are right yourself. Let me ask you 2 questions that we pose in this course. Would you date you? Would you marry you? I suspect that I really have you thinking now, right? This course will help you to answer the question, am I marriage material? And by the way, this is the title of the course. When you register and take this course, you will be invited to a job fair being held by our company seeking to fill 2 positions, husband and wife. You will be introduced to an application to be completed and given an employee handbook outlining the job descriptions for the aforementioned positions. Through a revolutionary concept that we call a Courshop, a combination workshop and course, you can experience the atmosphere of a live workshop, which means that you have at your disposal all of the very rich dialogue as if you were there. The course can be enjoyed in 2 formats, CDs, which includes all the sessions with audio recordings of the live workshop, or 2, take the course online by registering on our website shown at the bottom of your screen. We guarantee that you will receive valuable information that will get you to the point of a better you. Once you begin to feel better about yourself, others will feel better about you, including your potential spouse. Once you achieve this newfound sense of worth, you almost guarantee yourself a successful marriage because you will only accept the best for yourself. We also offer pastoral counseling if you think that you need that service. See our website for this service if interested. Help has finally arrived. Don't need help yourself? This course contains great information for your family or friends to consider as they seek a mate. You could offer it to them as a gift or refer them to us. Registration for this course has begun at the release of this video, so you can register now. The online class via Zoom begins the week of January 10th as we launch our New Year, New You 22 campaign. You will notice that there are 2 other courses that will be offered on other days of the week for your enlightenment as well. I look forward to having each of you join us. You will not be disappointed. If interested in the online course, simply scan the QR code at the end of this video, which will take you to our website to register. Have questions? Feel free to call me or email me. All of my contact information is on your screen. Finally, if you are a minister or church leader viewing this video, let me say thank you for taking the time to do so. This course, by the way, would be a great way to get your single members focused and engaged. Please call me or email me so that we can discuss options and opportunities to be a blessing to God's people. I look forward to hearing from each of you. My phone number is 214-202-7968. If I don't answer, please leave a message and I will get back with you. Thank you. God bless you. God keep you.